Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore an essential health topic: antioxidants and their crucial role in maintaining and enhancing gut health. Gut health is often neglected, yet you may be surprised to find that multiple studies have linked gut health with immune system regulation and even brain health due to the gut-brain axis. Your gut, like any other organ in your body, is susceptible to the effects of toxins and environmental stressors. Regular exposure to environmental stressors can cause a buildup of free radicals, which can impact your health. The best way to counteract harmful free radicals is by making sure your diet is rich in antioxidants. However, not all antioxidants are made equal. Like all chemical molecules, antioxidants vary in the ways they can affect different organs. Today, we are going to focus on the 5 antioxidants that specifically affect gut health. This video comes complete with scientific insights, the best food sources for each antioxidant, and innovative ways to incorporate them into your diet. As always, we provide science-backed and bite-sized content to make sure you gain the most out of it. In today's video, pay special attention to the delicious and super easy recipe tips we provide for combined multi-factor gut health benefits. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Antioxidants play a pivotal role in our health by neutralizing harmful free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules, which can lead to cell damage, oxidative stress, and chronic diseases if left unchecked. In the gut, antioxidants are key players in supporting a robust immune system, facilitating the repair of the gut lining, and ensuring a balanced microbial environment. This balance is essential for effective digestion and overall health. Gut antioxidants help in maintaining the integrity of the gut lining and in the management of gastrointestinal health. Starting with number 1, we have glutathione. Glutathione is known as the master antioxidant. It is a small molecule found naturally in your cells and is critical for maintaining cellular health and performing detox functions. It plays a vital role in the repair and building of tissue, producing chemicals and proteins needed for the immune system, and enhancing the detoxification processes within the gut lining. Some rich sources of glutathione are cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale, but also avocados and even nuts. A great way to start your day with a glutathione boost is by blending a smoothie made from avocado, kale, and a handful of Brazil nuts. This combination not only detoxifies, but also refreshes and energizes you with high nutrient content. Number 2, phenolic compounds. Phenolic compounds, encompassing a diverse group of bioactive compounds, possess potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that protect against cellular damage in the gut. They work by enhancing the resilience of the gut barrier, preventing the overgrowth of harmful bacteria, and fostering the growth of your beneficial gut flora, thereby supporting overall digestive health. You will be pleased to find out that these compounds are highly abundant in coffee, dark chocolate, and bright-colored fruits like blueberries and raspberries. This is probably the most delicious antioxidant I can personally think of. For a phenolic-rich breakfast, try mixing fresh blueberries and a few dark chocolate chips into your morning yogurt or oatmeal. Have this delicious breakfast as usual with your morning coffee. This not only caters to your taste buds, but also ensures you start your day with antioxidants that enhance gut functionality. Number 3, polyphenols. Polyphenols are plant-based chemicals, renowned for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Polyphenols reduce inflammation in the gut and strengthen the intestinal barrier. This can help prevent conditions like leaky gut syndrome and help manage some inflammatory bowel diseases. Polyphenols are found in abundance in green tea, olives, and whole grains. For a nutrient-packed lunch, consider preparing a quinoa salad with chopped olives, some cherry tomatoes, and a dressing that contains olive oil. For extra flavor, add green tea later on to your afternoon snack. This type of meal is not only filling, but also rich in polyphenols, provides long-lasting energy, and most importantly, it is so gut-friendly that it won't leave you in a state of food coma. Number 4, retinoic acid. Retinoic acid, an active form of vitamin A, is essential for mucosal health and plays a crucial role in immune function and cellular repair, particularly in the gut. It helps maintain the integrity of the gut lining, regulates immune responses, and is crucial in managing inflammatory and autoimmune disorders. High levels of retinoic acid can be found in liver, eggs, and dairy products. The bonus of dairy products is also the fact that many of them are rich in probiotics, also known as the good bacteria. The combination of potent antioxidants and probiotic bacteria is your gut's dream come true. A creative and delicious way to incorporate retinoic acid into your diet is by baking a frittata with carrots and eggs. Carrots are high in beta-carotene, which the body converts to retinoic acid, and eggs are a direct source of this vital nutrient, making this dish both nutritious and beneficial for gut health. And when you are craving dessert, you can have some yogurt with berries for some extra protein and gut-friendly bacteria. Number 5, we have citrus polymethoxyflavones. Citrus polymethoxyflavones are unique compounds found primarily in the peels of citrus fruits. They offer remarkable anti-inflammatory benefits, especially in the gut. They help reduce inflammation, providing protection against chronic conditions such as colitis and potentially reducing the risk of colon cancer. These flavonoids are most abundant in the peels of oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. An easy and flavorful way to enjoy these benefits is to zest some washed orange peel into your morning granola or sprinkle it over a salad for a citrusy boost. This not only enhances flavor, but also boosts your fiber intake, which is yet another way of pleasing your gut. Integrating these powerful antioxidants into your diet is simpler and more enjoyable than you might think. From energizing breakfast smoothies to nutrient-rich lunches and dinners, incorporating these antioxidants can become an integral part of your daily eating habits. Use the recipes we've shared as inspiration and feel free to adapt them to your personal taste and choice of ingredients. A varied and antioxidant-rich diet isn't just good for your gut, it enhances your entire body's health and longevity. If you found this information helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for even more valuable health insights. Don't hesitate to share your experiences or ask questions in the comments below. We're eager to hear from you. Stay healthy and stay curious. See you in the next video.